spacious, leaving the northwest part of the north side and adjacent to the living room. The bedroom should be located in the northern bedroom. Morning sun rays are available to some extent. If in the north side bedroom you sleep with your head towards the east or the south, you can enjoy a sound sleep. A west side bedroom is the best for children. An eastern bedroom can also be used for unmarried children or for guests. If the bedroom is in the southeast direction of the main building, it results in unnecessary quarrels between the husband and the wife. Wasteful expenditure increases and one has faced one kind of trouble or the other. It can be used as office or for bedroom of an unmarried son. The northeast is the direction of the deities, therefore, no bedroom should be in this direction. Otherwise, one has to face many calamities. Sickness increases. If a married couple sleeps in N/E room, they have to face long-lasting diseases. Nobody's bedroom should be exactly in the middle of the building. The walls should be light rose, red, blue, chocolate, green, etc. Marble stones white and yellow. Color should not be used in the newly married couple's bedroom. In the main southwest corner of the southwest side bedroom, heavy articles should be kept. The bed in this room should be to the south or the west of the southwest corner of this room. Sleeping with legs towards the east gives name, fame, prosperity. Sleeping with legs towards the west gives mental peace, increases a liking for spiritualism. Sleeping with legs towards the north increases wealth and prosperity. However, if you sleep with legs towards the south, you will not have a sound sleep. There are dreams, bad thoughts crop up in the mind. Heaviness in the chest is felt sometimes. The south is known as the Yamastone place of Yama. Dead body's legs are kept towards the south. Mental sickness increases and there is a likelihood of reduction in the lifespan. Some buildings do not get proper exact east-west and north-south directions in their building. They get the east-west and north-south in corner or not parallel to the plot. However, in bedrooms of such buildings, for getting the proper direction, one should not put his bed in an oblique position SW/SV. They should place bed properly in that zone. The dressing table in the bedroom should be to the east of the north direction. The reading and writing work should be done in the west of the bedroom. It can also be done in the east. While reading, one should face east. 13. Television, heater, and electrical appliances should be in the southeast corner of the bedroom. The wardrobe should be in the northwest or the southwest of the room. 14. The door of the bedroom should be of one shutter. As far as possible, it should be in the east, the west, or the north. There is no harm in having small windows in the east and the north. Almirahs, showcases, etc. should be in the south or the west walls. A mezzanine on this side is tolerable. 15. The southwest west corner should never be kept vacant. 16. If bathroom, tub bath, toilet, change room, etc. are to be attached to the bedroom, they should be in the west or the north side. 17. As far as possible, the safe should not be in the bedroom. If it is, it should be placed in a way leaving the southeast, the northeast, the southwest, and the northwest corners, as well as the east and the north directions. If the safe is kept in the south and opens in the north, it is very auspicious. But safe should not be kept towards the north in any room because it opens towards the south, leading to unnecessary expenditure and loss of wealth. Keeping mirror in bedroom, especially in newly married couple, can cause differences among the couple. TV, computer should be better to avoid it in the bedroom. If still mirror is required, it should be on north, east, or N/E wall, placed so that no part of your body will reflect in the mirror while sleeping, otherwise same part must have some problem. Install a bokwa outside your bedroom door to protect it from negative energy.